started the project, none of us really had that much knowledge about greenhouses in general, even here on Earth. There were a lot of initial challenges and learning curves associated with this project.
Not only did they need to think about engineering, they also needed to think about food science and nutrition and environmental engineering, energy, mechanical and electrical engineering systems.
What we do at Thayer is try to teach folks to be good problem solvers and to have them unintimidated by the fact that their background doesn't match the problem.
We took kind of a ground-up approach, beginning with human nutritional requirements and figuring out what sort of food and calories and nutrients we needed to provide to the astronauts to keep them healthy and happy so far from home.
Here on Earth, you can open your greenhouse up to the air, you can have microbes from the outside world, but on Mars, everything is closed in your own little greenhouse habitat.
We compared a number of different growing systems to decide what was the best fit for a greenhouse on Mars. The soil on Mars is toxic. That led us to pursue a hydroponic system using water sourced from Mars.
We researched about 90 plant species that could be part of our greenhouse, and we really narrowed it down and narrowed it down. We just kept iterating through until we had the perfect plant selection.
Once we had designed that hydroponic system, we then had to design a structure to contain it, and the structure had to be deployable and able to be shipped from Earth in a package with certain size constraints.
We looked a lot into origami. Storing everything into the cube that we needed is going to hopefully be done by very simple robots and inflation techniques.
And doing this without any human intervention. Beyond that, they had to consider how it would evolve over time, how it would support life, how it would support the recycling of waste, for example.
In terms of just sheer hours they put into it, it was pretty extraordinary.
It's very fulfilling to work on a project that could have such a monumental impact for humanity.
That is literally my dream, is to work on something so much bigger than myself.
It's been a really, really fun journey, and I'm so glad that we get to finish it off at NASA.